Hello everybody, welcome to Break Remake. I'm your host Joan. Today we're going to do this. We are going to take some thrifted jeans and turn them into my summer uniform. We are going to turn them into cut-off shorts. Well, they're not cut-offs because I cuffed them. Cuffed shorts. Let me show you how to do it. These are my pants. I like these because they're a really thin denim. I think it'll be great for cut-off shorts. Let us talk through the best way to cut these up and some guidelines. First things first, you have to measure either yourself or another pair of shorts that you really like to see what the inseam is. The inseam is just the inside like crotch area of your pants. That length will let you know what you need the measurement to be on your cutoffs. Here are my pants all laid out. This is the inseam. This is what we're going to be measuring. Don't forget, whatever you want your pant leg to be, you need to add seam allowance or cuff allowance. I like my shorts to be around 7 or 8 inches, so I'm going to cut my pants at 9 inches. So then if I have a 2-inch cuff fold up, because I love cuff pants, I will be a-okay. I've got my ruler all set up. I'm going to measure down 9 inches, mark it, and then I can show you how to cut it off without having weird wobbly lines. Instead of using the side seam as a guide to draw our straight line, we need to actually use the center line of the pants. I'll show you how to set that up. Luckily, my pants have a strong grain in the weave of the fabric so I can see it. But if you don't have that on your pants, let me show you a trick. If I use the side seam to draw my line, look, as my parallel, look, it's a little crooked. So what I want to use is the grain of the fabric, and you can see that in my pants. However, what if you don't have this on your pants? You will use a big ruler and you will make the line across your pants parallel to the waistline. 9 seems kind of long for an inseam on shorts, but I'd rather be generous right now and have to cut than not have enough shorts. You can see the grain line of my pants. I've got my ruler all set up. I've got my mark. I, again, have hubris. I'm just going to use my rolly cutter and cut this. Now that everything's cut, let's make sure that our legs are even. Great, they look super even. I'm holding my finger in the crotch and I'm putting the inseam together to make sure they're even Stevens. The other thing I was going to do to this is there's 2 buttons for the closure, and it makes me bananas. I don't like 2 button closures because it pinches you and the waistband's a little tight. So I'm going to move the buttons over one like width of button, basically. Super easy. And I think I'll take off the inside button because nobody cares about that. And then the other thing is the person that had these before me didn't open the pockets. Now let's set up the sewing machine and put the cuff in with a sewing montage. Whew, we got so much done during that montage. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more sustainable, eco-friendly DIYs. We'll see you next time. Bye. Let's take a look at it.